They say uncrowded is the new firing. The older I get, the more I understand. I've learned that one session of small waves alone fills me up 100 times more than 10 sessions fighting for waves in a crowd. I love the adventure, I love the struggle, and it's always worth it. Today, we're going on one of those missions. A long drive, hiking through the forest, be camping in the rain, going to a remote spot that doesn't work all the time, hoping to get one of those special sessions. So we got an early September swell. It's probably been like 6 months since we had a proper swell with good wind too. So we're actually just packing up. We're gonna do an overnight camp. So we're in location to kind of a remote spot to be ready for when the swell is hitting first thing in the morning. Now we have the hardest part of the job. We're packing camping gear, we're driving pretty far. You can't bring every board. So I got the 9-foot board, which like the spots we're going are pretty fat, kind of slow. So 90% chance I'll ride this 9.0. This would be the perfect board, but it's really, really damaged. I blew out a fin and that crushed the tail. It was one of my favorite boards. It's done right now, so that's not coming. And I kind of want to, I got this new mid-length here. I've only ridden it once, and I think it might be the kind of ideal in a twin setup. So it's either that or the groveler, the sweet potato. Back. Ugh. Anyways, so we're gonna load up right now. I can only bring 2 boards. I think it'll bring 9.0 mid-length, and then we're gonna drive pretty far. But I think it's gonna be a remote wave. Probably gonna score it alone, and I've only been there a few times, so should be pretty sick. So let's go.
Judging by the upstairs shenanigans, it's a great day for a camping trip.
Well, hopefully nothing bad happens to us because no one's finding us out here. We actually scouted this spot out last week, camped here with my family, but we are like remote, but kind of central to a lot of surf spots. You can hear the waves pumping right now. There's more swell in the water than I thought there would be. The swell is supposed to peak at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and it's supposed to start raining too, but I think we're either gonna leave in the morning and go surf at Point Break, maybe surf out here, which I've never done before. We're gonna scout it out a little bit. There's a couple point breaks we're gonna score, probably a few surf spots here. So we're gonna set up camp now, make some dinner, maybe even surf at sunset. So we'll see. Don't hide these beavers over hand height like that. Not too bad, eh? Took us like, what, like half an hour to set up? Maybe a little longer.
30, 40?
Yeah. Pretty good spot, pretty protected, lots of trees, protected by the sand dunes, but close to the ocean. We can hear the waves breaking. The plan now, get some more wood, we'll start a fire, cook some dinner. It's gonna be dark in like 2 hours. So I would hope as the tide falls, it might become close to being surfable out there. So if I could catch a couple sunset waves and just see what it's all about at low tide, that'd be super dope. But then the real main thing we got to think about is what we're going to do in the morning. We got a couple options for waves and we'll have to get up early either way. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy the scenery here, enjoy the vibes, and get ready for a surf tomorrow. Tomorrow the swell peaks at 8 a.m. So that's it.
I like it.
Love it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Spin it.
Yeah.
It looks like that one side is. Yeah. Oh. Oh wait. Oh yeah. I'm gonna grab the slip.
Look at that. It's actually accidentally cooked perfect.
Beautiful.
Oh. That was amazing. We're locked in here.
These guys, a little late to the party, but they're on the speed train now.
So you think you like surfing, eh? It is pounding rain out there. Last night, we were having major issues with the tarp. Our main post fell over multiple times, almost took us out a couple times. We just cut the tarp down, went to sleep, and it started pouring. So we're soaked, we're cold, but the swell did come in and it looks actually pretty good. So we're gonna have some coffee here. We're gonna go, this is the ultimate crowd killer. Like if anyone else is out there, well, I don't think anyone's as crazy as us. So, surfing's not all sunshine and rainbows.
Oh fuck, I think it.
Okay.
We definitely did.
Well, you know we need coffee first, and let me ask you, if you hadn't surfed in 6 months, you might be willing to do this too. It's not unusual for it to be super raining here, but it's not ideal for filming, so we're gonna pound this coffee, go out to the water, and our camera gear isn't ideal for this kind of filming either, so we're gonna have mercy on the cameraman. We'll lock it in, we'll catch one wave, maybe 10, and then bounce. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try right here. Well, that's it for that spot. That's the smallest I've ever seen it and still be surfable by that spot. The swell didn't quite live up to the hype. However, there's just something about high effort wave catching that, I don't know, just fills me up. Like, you may be watching this and you're used to like consistent breaks, surfing all the time, and like, why would you want to be cold and in the rain and camping and catching soft waves? But like, there's something about it, like, where it's hard to get, hard to do, a fickle spot. We don't surf much in the summer, and even just like, I appreciate every wave, any wave, so much. And it's like surfing overhead bombs with friends, awesome, love that. Surfing in the rain alone at like a private point break, be cool too. So we're gonna actually check one other spot on the way home, and I'll see you there. So that's it. Ended up scoring some sick waves actually. The sun came out, made it all kind of worth it. So hope you like this kind of content. We're just kind of figuring it out. We're gonna have way more ways to check out, way more spots to camp and surf. We're gonna pump it out as much as we can. So leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, what you'd like to see, anything like that. And I appreciate all the love and support. Like and subscribe if you want more of this kind of content. That's it.